In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube banner using Canva. The first thing you want to do is to come over to this website, canva.com, or simply use the app if you have it in your mobile phone, and come over to the search bar over here and search for YouTube channel art. And this will automatically give you templates that are designed to work for your YouTube channel, both the mobile version and the desktop version. So these templates you can see here are perfect for the mobile version and the desktop version. There are 5 things you want to look out for when selecting a template to use. The first thing you want to check is if this template resonates with what your channel is about. For example, this template is about tech, this template is about gaming, this template is about food. So you want to first of all pick something that resonates with what your channel is about. For example, this is about vlogging. I wouldn't use this for a gaming or a tech channel. Now, once you've found something that resonates with your channel, 4 other things you want to look out for before using that channel art. The 4 things you want to look out for is that there is a space for you to write the name of your channel. The second thing is there is a space for you to put in your profile picture or your logo. The third thing is there is a place for you to put what your channel is about. And the fourth thing is that there is a space for you to add a subscribe button. These are 4 important things to look out for. If you don't find these 4 important things, please do not select that particular template. Now, once you are comfortable with that template, come over here and select customize this template. Now, over here, you can come over here and simply double click to call this iVisual Tech. If my channel is about tech, and I could say that it's a fintech channel, and select this and align this properly. Now, to change this logo to your logo, simply go over to upload and select upload files. And if you have a logo, okay, I don't have any logo that has anything to do with fintech, but just for the sake of this, I'll just use a random logo. I'll just select this and hit open and bring my logo here. And you automatically see that this template is designed to fit in my logo. So the external boxes have been wiped out and the subscribe button is still there. So basically, this is a perfect logo because it has these 4 items over here. Other than the fact that this logo says iVisual Films, but we are designing something for tech. But this is basically how to create your YouTube banner. So you want your YouTube banner also to have the same color palette with your logo. So for me, this is actually wrong because this theme is black and white while the logo I'm using is yellow. So you want to use something that has the same color branding. So once you're done with all of this, just come over here and hit share and hit download and hit download once more. And that's it, guys, on how to create your YouTube banner.